Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Southport, Port Shepstone, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa for R1,600,000. Views, views, views. The upper level of this large split-level home consists of a large lounge, dining areas, kitchen, laundry scullery plus 2 bedrooms each with ensuite. The living area leads onto covered balcony overlooking the pool, garden with incredible views of the ocean. Stairs lead down to the ground level with a huge 3RD bed with bathroom, open-plan lounge and dining area, kitchenette and bathroom. This area leads to the pool area and is currently utilized as a flatlet. There is also a staff room with shower and toilet. Furthermore, the MTN aerial installed on the property brings in a monthly income of $7,000 for the next 6 years. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.